It's in there. It's not perfect. And I went ahead and I put some kitty hair down the glass. I'm gonna let it dry. And I'm gonna sand that down, primer all that. Just rattle can real quick. This is gonna get seam sealed and painted over. I still wanna make it as seamless as possible. So I may drill that in. I'm not sure. Drill it out, cut the back of the screw, and then maybe tack weld it on the back side. And that way it'll be good and secure for the future. I don't know. I'm just gonna make sure it's really nice before it goes. This front part though is not nearly as tight as I need it to be. So I'm probably gonna cut it. I think about cutting it right here, beating this down, drilling the screw into it, and the screw into it properly right there, and stitching it all the way down. Then grinding it. And that'll be good to go. Sand that down. Sand the heads down on this part. Put some angle iron in this section. And that's going to be it. I'm going to put a little angle iron. Catch that right there. Zip, zip, zip. At least that's how I pictured it. Cricket in my shop. But on another note, it's time to work, man. Time to work. I gotta see if I can file that down so I can go ahead and start laying some Duraglass on there. Bring that up to that line right here. Make that even. So I gotta file that down. I believe he just bought this pneumatic. So that's 80 grit. I'm gonna need probably like some 40. But we'll get it. I will get it with some 80. Try to put that down in there. Got the step bit because we're gonna need to step that hole up a little bit. What else? He didn't do these. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these real quick. A little bit of black. It look alright. Me personally, I would have powder coated mine, but this is me. I just like powder coating. I dropped off some stuff at the powder coater the other day. A lot of that metal and stuff, but man, we kept on chasing rust. Man, it ain't looking good. It ain't looking good at all. All right, so this side is beyond what I can do for factory. It's not gonna ever go back to factory, but we're gonna put this tray in there for sure. But I gotta get up under here, do some grinding, especially on this bottom side. Try to find some good metal, maybe cut some things off. Start preparing to add some more metal, probably on the back side where it's gonna be a flap there. Add metal here. Maybe even come across the top, have it bent come down. Cause that's still, a lot of that's still the plate right there. It's almost all the way up to the header. To the header panel. It's attached to the back of the header panel. So I gotta stop cutting into that now. Cause I'm missing probably about 2 inches already. All the way around already. We're gonna get somebody to fabricate that. There's not gonna be no way around it. With this, oh, man. I was just gonna come across the top and just put a box it out. That's what I've been thinking about doing. Just taking this piece of metal, cutting it, coming across it like that, and just kind of grinding it down. But the strength will be keeping it together. The thing is though, it's a lot of good metal up in here. I just want to kind of come across the top with it though. I wish there was a way I can come up under the bottom. But being this location, I'm trying to think though if I want to go ahead and cut this piece out. Because I don't want it to lose its strength. It's already losing its strength in this area. So I think maybe just welding this fresh metal on there will be my best bet. So we'll see. I gotta see whatever I could do. Am I gonna be able to have enough metal? Enough good metal. I damn near could put this whole plate on there and it'd be straight. Man, y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna figure it out. That metal work ain't looking too bad. It's solid. Put some seam sealer and stuff on there. Got the pan finna go on in there. Zach ain't choked me out yet. It's coming on pretty good? Man, so I was concerned about that, but it is what it is. It's coming together though. Wait till y'all see that pan in there. It's gonna look good. Nope. And tape, sanded and prepped, primered, and got all off in there, man. What is this again?
It was a 5.3 And now it's been bored out to 5.7, so it's 350.
A true LS.
Yes, sir.
LS1.
Yeah, iron block.
Because it started off as the LQ4
yes,
or 9.
Yeah, and we got Texas Speed and ported heads. Got a bald eagle cam inside. LS7 lifters. And we got the big ass Jegs aluminum intake here at the 102 millimeter throttle body.
122 millimeter.
Yeah, then we got D-Schwartz injectors. They're all flow matched, everything.
Man,
Yeah, it's gonna be a monster.
that thing crazy.
It's all fuel injected. It's ready for boost. Make 1,000. All fours bottom end.
Oh, so you gonna boost it?
Eventually, yeah. It's all the rings are gap for boost, so it'll take 1,000 horsepower.
Man, that's crazy. I ain't you be telling me about this. What you doing for the Camaro?
And
So is not running a serpentine belt?
yeah, it's gonna have 2 serpentine belts. So you got underdrives here. So the alternator, everything like AC, it'll take less horsepower, so it'll make more power to the wheels. And this big one runs a water pump, so it runs full speed all the time. We got dual timing chains, so it's not gonna slip teeth or anything like that.
Man, this thing is impressive.
Really nice.
Almost as impressive as the Wasp.
Have you ever seen the Whipple?
I don't think I ever seen the Whipple on this one, man.
This is nice. Yes.
See all the details. I be telling the man, bring it and put it on my YouTube channel. I got it on here now.
Yeah.
Tell Mr. Marvin he done missed out.
2.9 liter Whipple.
Jeez, look at the intake.
Yeah.
That's a huge ass cone. 2.9. And how big is the actual motor? Is it what?
6.4.
6.4.
So it's a little bit bigger than a Hellcat. This blower is bigger than a Demon. So right now it's on a mild tune. It makes about 650. You can turn it up though, but it's not forged. The bottom end's not forged, so it's a little risky to keep pushing it.
Man.
She's quick though.
Yes, indeed. Man, like this. It's starting to look really nice up under here. That's the only spot that I'm concerned about. We're raising the level up on that just to make it a little bit better. It's gonna be fiberglass to fix that. Now, got the angle iron in over here. Focus, focus, focus. Tack that back down. I've been grinding that down. I'm probably gonna just go ahead and maybe hit it with a little bit more of a tack right here, possibly. So then I can let that be. But this one, I'm gonna try to go ahead and fill that in a little bit more right here. Fill that in a little bit more. I did tack the insides. And we put a little bit of that chassis roll bar paint on all on in there. There's a couple areas I'm looking at that I may need to add a little bit more, but for the most part, we got most of the proper coverage that we need. And if I feel like we need to add a little bit more, we will. I just want to make sure that that's good and dry. Being that still wet, I'm trying to do all my metal work right now. And start adding my seam sealer. So we're gonna be doing a lot of drying the next couple days. But yeah, man, a lot of work, lot of work. And one good day of productivity. So this has been sanded down. We just Rust-Oleum that right there with the flat black, nothing special. We just wanted to make sure that those rails look pretty good. And yeah, man. So we gotta do that other side, finish the other side, and that's what it's gonna be. So y'all just stay tuned.